This is an optional step where we're gonna do it anyway. In the previous video, we started the container service. In this video, we're going to set up the DNS service that is included. Why do we do this? Because we don't wanna reach containers using their IP addresses. We don't wanna keep track of which IP each container has. Instead, we can use DNS names, which makes it way easier. So let's jump right in. Container includes an embedded DNS service that simplifies access to your containerized applications. If you want to configure a local DNS domain named test for this tutorial, run this. Okay, let's give it a try. So it seems here container system DNS create. It's going to create this DNS service. And then it sets the default DNS service as test. The second command makes test the default domain to use when running a container with an unqualified name. If the default domain is test, which is the one that we're going to create here, and you use name my-web-server to start a container, queries to this container.test will respond with that container's IP address. I'm just going to copy this. Let's give it a try. It's optional, but I'm just going to set it up. Just going to paste this in here. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to ask me for my password. I'm going to type it in. Okay, so that is done. Let's go back to the documentation. How can I verify that that worked? Maybe with this system command. Let's give it a try. Container system help. We see DNS there. If we type this other command, let's see what shows up. Okay, we can list them, it seems. Let's give it a try. If we type here list, okay, so there is the DNS system we created, or the DNS service we created actually. Remember that this video is part of a playlist. If you're not following, go and check out the previous videos. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support me as well to keep this channel going, you can consider becoming a member. I'm going to leave a link in the video description as well. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.